Lighting design, interior and exterior. Lighting design plays a pivotal role in enhancing the aesthetic appeal, functionality, and overall ambience of both internal and external spaces in villas and buildings. A well-thought-out lighting scheme not only illuminates the architecture but also creates a harmonious atmosphere that complements the structure's design. In this video we explore the art and science of light design, focusing on both interior and exterior applications for villas and buildings. Internal lighting design. Functionality and atmosphere. The internal spaces of villas and buildings serve various functions, from living rooms to bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. Each space requires a unique lighting design that balances functionality with atmosphere. Desk lighting is crucial for areas where specific activities take place, such as reading or cooking. Ambient lighting sets the overall mood, and accent lighting highlights architectural features or artwork. Natural light integration. Maximizing natural light is essential for creating a welcoming and energy-efficient internal environment. Large windows, skylights, and glass doors can be strategically positioned to allow ample daylight into living spaces. Smart window treatments can be employed to control the amount of incoming light, ensuring comfort and preventing glare. Technology integration. Smart lighting systems enable homeowners to control the intensity and color temperature of lights, creating dynamic and adaptable environments. Motion sensors and timers can enhance energy efficiency by ensuring lights are only active when needed. Architectural emphasis. Architectural features, such as vaulted ceilings, alcoves, or textured walls, can be emphasized with well-placed lighting fixtures. This not only adds visual interest but also creates a sense of depth and dimension. Therefore, meticulous selection of light fixtures and collaboration with a skilled lighting designer are essential to achieving a harmonious and visually stunning lighting design that enhances both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of villas and buildings. External lighting design. Curb appeal. External lighting is the first impression visitors have of a villa or building. Thoughtfully designed exterior lighting enhances curb appeal and showcases the architecture after dark. Pathway lighting, accent lighting for landscaping elements, and facade lighting contribute to a welcoming exterior. Security and safety. Well-lit exteriors contribute to the safety and security of a property. Motion-activated lights along pathways and entrances deter intruders, while well-lit driveways and parking areas ensure safe navigation. Outdoor living spaces. Villas often include outdoor living spaces, such as patios and gardens. Lighting in these areas should be functional for activities like dining or entertaining while creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Energy efficiency. LED technology has revolutionized external lighting by providing energy-efficient options with a wide range of color temperatures. Solar-powered lights are also gaining popularity for their sustainability and cost-effectiveness. Conclusion. In the realm of villas and buildings, light design serves as both an art and a science. The careful integration of internal and external lighting enhances the beauty of architecture, creates functional and comfortable living spaces, and contributes to the overall well-being of occupants. By embracing the latest technologies and considering the unique characteristics of each space, architects and homeowners can illuminate their properties in a way that is both stylish and sustainable.